What's up, everybody? Retro's niggas here, back at y'all with another motherfucking banger. And in today's episode, I'm going to be restoring a pair of Stealth 5s from 2006. Now, these are actually one of the first shoes I got when I first literally started restoring, and I didn't even know what restoring was. And yeah, this is a crazy shoe. Definitely brings back memories. Definitely a throwback. So yeah, let's fucking get into it.
Plain Jane, Jackie James, Richard Billy. You gon' be the one, bust it down, I can see it. Diamonds in the face, crushed up, I can see it.
Diamonds in the face, diamonds in the face. Crushed up, diamonds in the face. I can see it. Crushed up, diamonds in the face, crushed up, you can see it.
Moving on to the necessary step of pretty much every restoration, any kind of custom that I do, this step always goes down. This is the most common thing, I say it every time, super simple. I'm gonna run through it super fast.
Cause I got kind of tired of having to repeat the same thing every single damn time.
So yeah, number one, the first thing you're gonna do is pour acetone onto a cotton round. You can go buy this at Target. Then get a heat gun from a hardware store and apply heat onto the area that needs to be prepped. Get your acetone with cotton round and rub away, and that's all you gotta do. The reason why it needs to be prepped is because it has an old crumbling midsole that has factory glue and an old factory midsole that has fallen apart. And this will all be in the way of our new glue that's gonna be placed later on. So, bam. I know I talk a lot, but
yeah. Right. Yeah. Dirty on your boy, let it show. On your boy, let it show. Right. On your boy, let it show. I don't give a fuck, I think I'm bulletproof. Yeah, bags on what? Keep that dirty on your boy, let it show. I don't give a fuck, I think I'm bulletproof. When you pop it back, you shoot through the roof. Any nigga tripping, just get it too. Yeah. Stack curry with the shot. Oh, stack curry with the pot. Whoa. Okay, it's 3-2 in this series, and we down, but we still up. Jug and finesse all my dollars till they millions. I don't mean no harm, I sell ice cream to children. Wordplay so nice, I can sell turkeys to pilgrims. Yo, real talk, real rap, where you at? Pull up on me, let it clap. Gave you niggas game and swag, now you hating, man, give it back. I don't understand you niggas nowadays with the chitty chat, pity pat, witty raps, claiming game, say you bang where your knowledge at. Real talk, this is my lane, you ain't know this, man, I put in overtime. It's fourth quarter and it's ball game, I'm Usain at the finish line. Sherman Clump when it's dinner time, I got hella beats and plenty rhymes. I don't see me dying down at any time. You taking yours, nigga, give me mine. Okay, bang out, ring out, pour that thing out and let it go. Pause, this a flow to let it show to any nigga thinking I ain't got bars. Wait, cream on me.
Now these shoes weren't the dirtiest of all that I've worked on before, but they definitely did have some, you know, scum stains and stuff. So I want to make sure everything's clean, and most importantly the soles, because those are going to be going through a like hell of a process, icing process. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited to test it out and see what the hell goes down, because this might be some historical that's about to happen, so stay tuned. Anyways, cleaning these up, what I'll be using is Reshoevn8ed Advanced Sneaker Solution. You can find this over at reshoevn8ed.com and use my discount code RETRO713 to save 10% off your entire order. Okay, I had to burp that that entire time. And right here I'm going to be using the travel kit. It actually comes with a bunch of dope accessories, and I'm actually carrying this around in my camera bag everywhere I go, because on my shoes I like to tidy up the shoes because they do get kind of dirty throughout, you know what I'm saying, the wear from filming and stuff. So
know I got it, they don't want to say it, but they know I do. Go to every meeting, if the money right, we could talk about it, man, let them through. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. They keep shooting at me like I'm bulletproof. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. I don't give a fuck, I think I'm bulletproof. Gone. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. They pull it out, shoot it through the roof. They don't cock it back, nigga, what it do? 30 on your boy, let it shoot. I ain't hear you, nigga, what it do? Pull up on your boy, let it shoot. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. You ain't shooting shit, you shoot through the roof, nigga. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. You ain't poppin' shit, you shoot through the roof. 30 on your boy, let it shoot. You shit in the air, we don't really care. Got the 30 on your boy, let it shoot. I don't give a fuck, I think I'm bulletproof.
Quick announcement, I got 2 phones, by the way. The reason why, so that you guys can hit me up. Bro, right here, I got 2 phones. We trapping on 2 phones now. You can hit me up on one of them. This is for iPhone users only currently. So message me, retrosnickers@gmail.com, and boom, just give me some time to respond to you because I got hundreds of messages to get to. But hit me up on there. Feel free to call me. Feel free to blow up the line because it's just a second phone, not my real phone. And yeah, but just make sure you hit me up, retrosnickers@gmail.com.
Been working, y'all. Stacking my cheddar, getting my bread up. Foot on a nigga, won't let up. I'm getting better now.
Okay, so as you can see, these soles are they are nowhere near like an icy condition, like my neck. Yeah, that was weak. I'm sorry. Anyways, nowhere near icy. So what I'm gonna be using is Edgar Cream's Too Much Sauce. Yeah. That dude's back. We're gonna be using Edgar Cream's Too Much Sauce and this new light setup. But to use this light setup, I gotta have a place just for this thing that's gonna go down because this light can blind you. It's like almost as potent as the sun or more potent than the sun and can really fuck your eyes up. What I'm gonna be using to really just close this whole thing off is a fish tank. I have a fish tank lying around in the back and I gotta clean it up. It's dirty. It's grimy, it's green, it's smelly, it's disgusting. But I gotta clean it up because this is what I'm gonna use to enclose my shoes.
I get it off of the low, cause even the plug know that I'm finna blow. Yeah, I'm finna change to the wrist on froze. I get it off of the low, even the plug know, yeah, I'm finna blow.
So we're gonna be taking apart these Donor Laney 5s that I got for I don't know how much. I'm pretty sure like $70, $80 on eBay. We are separating the entire shoe. This is the part where everybody gets mind blown, booty hurt, whatever you want to call it. This is gonna happen today. And to separate these, we only need 2 items: acetone and a heat gun. That's it. And the main thing that does the work is the acetone. The heat gun just kind of helps us if we're kind of stuck, but for the most part, all you really need is the acetone. And no more of that boiling water method, because that was boiling water. Come on, that was not fun. No one wants to get burnt off that shit.
Mami, yo te quiero, yo te quiero. Mami, yo te quiero, yo te quiero. Mami, yo te quiero, yo te quiero. Te quiero hasta los cielos, hasta los cielos. Estamos en República Dominicana, tío, pa' la rumba, pa' Punta Cana. Mami, yo te quiero, yo te quiero. Me encanta más mucho como dinero. Ella le gusta como la rumba. Cada vez que lambe sabe a fruta. Cada vez que lambe sabe a fruta. Fruta. Mami, yo te quiero, yo te quiero. Me encanta mucho como ese dinero. Me encanta mucho como el dinero. Mami, yo te digo que yo te quiero. Yo te quiero en la cama, mamá. Vamos pa' la casa, pa' la casa. Estamos en la rumba, estamos en el party. Estamos tomando puro Bacardi. A ella le gusta cuando le llamo mami. O me encanta cuando me llama papi. Oh, yo soy pa' ti. Estamos esta noche. Yo soy pa' ti. Estamos esta noche. Yo soy pa' ti. Tú eres mi mami. Me encanta tú a mí. Me encanta tú a mí. Mami, yo te quiero, quiero. Mami, yo te quiero. Mami, yo te quiero, quiero. Oh, 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 oh. Ella le frontea a sus amigas. Ella le frontea. Ella le frontea a sus amigas. Dile que no me quiere aquí, pero yo le digo ven aquí. Tú eres todo para mí. Tú eres todo para mí. Yo te amo a ti, mi mami. Tú me dices a mí, oh papi. Tú me dices a mí, tu papi, a mí. Mami, yo te quiero, quiero. Mami, yo te quiero, quiero. Mami, yo te quiero.
Because I literally did not have to like sand anything. Like I just kind of sanded them only just to remove that factory glue that was still sitting on there, because remember all I did was acetone these off. That didn't mean that all the glue from the factory came off as well. So we're sanding really to remove all of that factory glue and also help for a little bit of a better fitment. You know, we don't really need too much, but a light graze will do. So yeah.